When cleaning your stainless steel sink, start by giving it a solid rinse, using your scrub brush to remove any food and stains. Next, scrub out your entire sink with some dish soap and hot water. Rinse thoroughly and wash away all the suds. Then coat the sink with Barkeeper's Friend. Use your brush to scrub the entire sink again. Give the sink another good rinse and then dry out with a clean, dry cloth. You might need to use a few cloths to make sure you get the sink totally dry. Once it's nice and dry, pour some more Barkeepers onto a small section in the sink and use a paper towel to wipe down and buff the area. You'll be shocked by all the dirt that comes off what looks like a clean sink. Repeat this process for the entire sink. When you're done, use Wyman's stainless steel spray and a dry cloth to buff and polish the sink.